Dear brothers and sisters, do you want to be humiliated on the day of judgment in front of billions and trillions of people? Nobody wants that. How can we avoid this humiliation on the day of judgment? In Hadith number 8.506 in Bukhari, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who let the people hear of his good deeds intentionally to win their praise, Allah will let the people know his real intention on the day of judgment. And he who do good things in public to show it off and win the praise of the people, Allah will disclose his real intention and will humiliate him on the day of judgment." Dear brothers and sisters, what do we learn from this hadith? That we have to be honest with yourself. We should not be showing off. We should do everything to seek the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then and only then we will be ensured that we are not humiliated in the hereafter. Otherwise, if we do any work, if we do any good deeds to show off, then Allah will expose our intention and we will be humiliated on the day of judgment. May Allah save all of us from this humiliation. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Ali